Hello guys, my name is Charles, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to load Yaka using mobile money. First step, open your dialer and dial *165#, and of course you can load. Select option number 4, which is payment. Then select option number 1, which is utilities under payment. Select option number 1, which is UMEME Touch Pay. Then select Yaka, which is option number 2. Make sure you already have your Yaka account number ready, and you can also enter your Yaka account number. I'll enter mine, and so this is my this is my Yaka account number, and I'll just load it. You can see it has brought the bill information, account name, account number, and of course the amount due. Now here you'll enter the amount that you want to pay. I want to pay Yaka for 5,000 Uganda shilling, and you can see now I have to just confirm it by entering my mobile money pin. A fee of 600 shilling will be charged. I'll just enter my mobile money pin, and I'm going to send it. So it should take few seconds to load. Here it is saying transaction is being processed, please wait. Let's just go back a bit. In few seconds you should receive a message from UMEME. You can see I've already received a message, and I'll be able to just open it. And there are actually two messages from MTN Mobile, which is indicating that the Yaka purchase was successful. That's the first one was received. You can see the token number has been sent to me. Then the second one from UMEME is also saying, dear customer, payment of 5,000 for the account number received. This is the token, and I've received units of 5.7 kilowatts. Thank you for paying. So that is how easy it is to buy Yaka token with mobile money. Now the second step will be to go and load this token in the Yaka meter. Let me just call it that way, and immediately it will be credited. So the first step to load your Yaka token on the Xking interface, I hope that's the right pronunciation. You need to plug your Yaka Xking interface on the socket. That's the first thing you should do. Then make sure the socket is on, and then you can turn it on by tapping on this red button. You can see it's now on. So after you've loaded your token, just enter it right away. So I'm going to enter mine, which is 48234589495155152. Then I'm also going to tap the red button again. Now it is connecting, and as you can see, actually my power had gone and power is just back. So that is how easy it is. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please help me and subscribe to the channel. Like this video, share it with your friends. Also let me know what you think in the comment section. My name is Charles, a Ugandan content creator. See you in my next videos.